Since 2/3 of the Earth is covered by water, marine vessels play a crucial role in communication and transportation. However, few accidents are as terrifying as ship disasters, as the chances of survival are often slim. Occasionally, massive ships suffer irreparable damage due to negligence. In today's video, we are going to show you some caught-on-camera ship accidents that will make your hair stand on end. To get such fascinating videos every day, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Number 1, the incident you are about to see involves a massive ship worth $3 billion. You can see the ship's crew members being rescued by a large helicopter while the vessel itself is on the verge of sinking. But what caused it to sink like this? The engine had overheated and a hatch suddenly flew open, allowing water to rush inside. This caused the second engine to fail, and the ship immediately began listing and sinking to one side. Number 2. This incident took place in 2018. People were recording the scenery from a distance when a massive ship was seen heading relentlessly toward the shore. In an instant, it smashed into and demolished seaside houses. According to the captain, they tried hard to avoid hitting the house, but were unable to stop the vessel. You can see the devastation caused by this error, and just imagine the plight of the people inside that house. Number 3. During a Super Ute challenge, one vehicle suddenly lost control and violently rammed into another. As you can see, the impact caused a person to be thrown directly into the river. While there were no human fatalities, both vehicles sustained significant damage. Number 4. On February 28, 2019, the captain of this cargo ship had likely consumed too much alcohol. Consequently, he failed to notice a bridge ahead, and the cargo ship crashed directly into it. As a result, while the vehicles on the bridge did not sustain significant damage, the bridge and the ship itself suffered severe damage. Number 5. It is only natural for anyone to be astonished upon witnessing such a scene. This captures the moments just before a ship sank, with the people on board scrambling to the highest remaining part of the vessel in a desperate bid to survive. Number 6. On October 7, 2019, a ferry named Katona collided directly with a container ship called CFS Virginia. The impact tore a massive hole in the container ship's hull, causing oil to leak out and spread across the sea. The ferry's watch officer was held responsible for the accident. He had failed to notice the container ship because he was busy talking on the phone. Although he had been aware of the container ship's presence an hour earlier, the distraction of the call caused him to virtually forget about it. The ferry had effectively wedged itself into the container ship, and it took nearly 5 days to separate the two vessels. Number 7. On February 24, 2020, a ship named Stellar Banner began to sink in the middle of the ocean due to excessive cargo weight. While the crew members were successfully rescued, the ship itself could not be saved. It was transporting oil, and the sinking resulted in millions of metric tons of oil spilling into the sea. Just imagine the devastation this caused to marine life. Ultimately, there was no choice but to let the ship sink, and as you can see, the scene was truly terrifying. Number 8. Witnessing this horrific collision between two ships, one might suspect the captains were asleep, as the crash occurred without any alarm being raised. Fortunately, no one on board was injured, though both vessels sustained severe damage. Number 9. Accidentally, logs from this cargo ship fell into the water. You can see the sorry state the ship was in as they tumbled overboard. Number 10. When the ship Modern Express Panama was sinking, a helicopter arrived to rescue the crew, but it didn't prove very effective. Number 11. These people were fishing from their boat when a ship came speeding towards them. Although they signaled for it to stop, it was to no avail. The ship ran right over their boat, crushing it to pieces. Fortunately, they had jumped into the water just before the impact, saving their lives. They were later awarded compensation of 30 million rupees. Number 12. These people were waiting for a ship, but they hadn't realized it would come right up to where they were standing. The elderly woman among them narrowly escaped with her life. Number 13. Perhaps this ship got tired of waiting. It smashed through a bridge to carve out its own path. Afterward, the massive vessel became wedged between the bridge and the barrier. Number 14. You may have seen many cargo ships, but this one was overloaded. It was carrying a massive amount of timber, and the weight caused it to list dangerously to one side. However, the captain cleverly arranged to dump the timber into the water, saving the ship from sinking. Number 15. Typically, a cargo ship carries an average of 1,400 containers per voyage, but this vessel loaded 2,000 containers in a single trip. It set sail from China for California in December 2020, but encountered a storm before reaching its destination. You can see the resulting damage. The accident is estimated to have caused losses exceeding 4 billion rupees. So, friends, we'll talk again tomorrow. Thank you so much for dedicating so much of your valuable time to me. Subscribe to the channel right now to watch more interesting videos like this. See you in the next video.